Kia ora whānau. Kia ora whānau, that's good. Oh, what are we saying?
Well, peaky that.
Bit loud.
There we go.
Test 1, 2, testing 1, 2. Sorry, Whānau, for the super loud intro. Hopefully you can hear us, man.
Perfectly too. Let us know.
Yeah, man.
Should we do some quick shout outs?
Yeah, man. Kia ora whānau. Welcome back to Season 3, Episode 2, Part 2.
Part 2.
A lot of twos there,
Yeah.
Man, so we're back again, whānau. We're continuing work on our DIY automated garden. Yeah, man. So, yeah, looking forward to it.
Tonight's going to be a different episode. If you haven't noticed, do you enjoy our little ensuite? Oh,
This is our workshop set. Quinn's been working hard all day. I think it looks pretty mint. What do you reckon, whānau? Let us know in the comments, man, how you think our set is looking. But I think it's pretty badass, bro. So sharp, bro, for putting in all the work.
Thank you.
Looks mint.
So yeah, there is other stuff that's happening too tonight. So that's pretty cool. We're going to be doing some soldering.
Yeah, man. So we're getting hands-on tonight. Last week, whānau, you probably remember that we worked on this little thing here. This is our prototype. If you're just joining us for the first time, this is a DIY automated garden or device, I should say, because it helps. It helps water your garden. Essentially, this little thing here measures the moisture sensor of the soil, and it tells the little computer on here to give our plant water via this little pump. So this is a prototype that we made last week. So if you missed out on that, jump back, man, and have a little watch. Make sure to share that one later. But tonight, we're working on this. We're taking this and making it smaller and a bit more compact. So we're going to delete this big ass board,
breadboard,
and then we're just going to solder essentially all of the wires back to our computer here. Easy as.
So if you don't know what soldering is, typically it's a hot iron that mounts solder, and there's a few tech people that use it for motherboards.
All sorts of electronics, small, like hobbyist electronics, and also like manufacturing stuff like that.
LED lights is another one too.
Yeah, man, hard. We do a lot of LED lights.
Let us know if you want to see us make some of those.
Yeah, man, hard. We'll make a quick shout out, bro, to everyone that's online.
Shout out to Jordan, Kazzy.
Yeah, cuz.
Shop for joining us.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. Got Mariana, kia ora.
Welcome back.
Yeah, they're on last week, yeah. To the Kazzy roof, kia ora, Kaz. Hope you're doing well. But yeah, man, drop us a little buzz in the comments, man. Let us know where you're at, what you're up to tonight. Ciao.
So I'm gonna do a few changes with the camera sets.
Yeah, man, we got multi-cams on tonight, whānau. It's pretty hardcore, full-on production tonight.
So most of the night, I'm gonna be on the controls, and Q's gonna be doing the soldering.
Yeah, hard. But we'll still have Quinn, jumping in with his definitely his 2 to 10 cents dropping.
Yeah.
Pulling me up when I make mistakes. Or I do something unsafe.
Yeah, watch this. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I make sure all the gears are there too.
Oh yeah. Where do you want to start, Quinn? Like, what did you want? You had a bit of a plan. He's in full control tonight, whānau, because I would just get it there. But he's got a bit of a plan tonight on how we're going to show you how we solder here. So what's up first, my man?
So we just done our intro. That was one box ticked off. Our second box is what Q just mentioned. It was safety.
Yeah, man.
So there's 3 main safety points we recommend for soldering.
Yeah, man.
The first one is it's gonna burn you.
Yeah, man. So you've got to be careful with the heat and the tools that you're using, especially the solder device. I can just. I'm not going to pull up that one because it is hot. And that's probably not the safest. I can't grab it.
We got a soldering kit. We'll pull it out. I'll pull it up later while Q solder.
Yeah, but essentially it's like a pen. It's got a silver tip, and that tip gets really, really hot, anywhere from 200 degrees all the way up to 400 degrees, and you don't want to tap your fingers or anything. If you do burn yourself, just like any other burn, run it under cold running water until it cools down, and if anything does happen and you need to get medical attention, please seek out that straight away.
And if you are young, please make sure there's an adult with you. Please don't do it by yourself.
Yeah, sure. That was point 2, bro. So that was Watching out for heat and burns.
Heat and burns.
Number
Second
2.
one is eye protection.
Eye protection.
The reason why I bring eye protection is because when you're starting to burn the solder, it might reflect off and might hurt you.
Yeah, man. So just little splits happen now and then if it's too hot or anything like that, or maybe there's some other residue attached to the area that you're trying to solder, and it may just like flick up or bubble, and so just got to be careful with that. So
one good point is a wire. If you're soldering a wire and sometimes you push it down, it returns to retract and kind of flicks it kind of towards your way.
And
so
if the solder's hot on it, it flicks the hot solder off and could land on your hand. So it's actually a bit sore. That's happened
a few
couple
times.
of times.
Yeah.
Cool. So that was point 2.
And the point 3 was the
You got it, Quinn. You got it.
chemical air.
The toxins there, your toxins in the air that I guess from the fumes in your soldering. So you want to ensure that I guess you've got a really open space, so there's nice airflow, but also to have some sort of extraction if you can. It's generally quite safe, but not safe to inhale, but as long as you've got a nice open high ceiling roof, and you're not just hovering right over the solder, so you're inhaling it, step it back, but definitely extraction. And we've got a couple of fans in our little setup that you'll see in a bit.
If you don't have a fan, we recommend to get face masks.
Face masks as well. These are specific face masks made for. These ones are specific for for soldering, but they help with some of those toxic fumes made by metals. But we also have some more bigger ones where needed if we're doing long-term soldering. That essentially what welders use as well.
So that was the 3 points I wanted to bring up just before we go live.
Sure.
And safety is always first, Whānau.
Sure. Easy as shock, Quinn.
Sweet.
Thanks for that. And is that us? We're into it.
Second, yes, we done the second one, boss. Click.
So health and safety. Stay
And
safe
now,
out there, Whānau.
the mahi.
The mahi, okay. Tonight, Whānau, just FYI, we're trying to. Last week's episode was an hour. We're gunning for 30 minutes tonight. Thankful to Ray, who hung out the whole time, man.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully you're watching tonight, Ray, man. I haven't seen you pop up yet, but man, this episode is for you, mate.
For sure.
Bro, so how do you want to do this, bro? Like, what do you want me to do?
So,
I'll keep on my safety glasses.
thank you, bro.
I'm not just being silly wearing shades on the inside, you know.
So,
Yeah, what do you want me to do, my man?
I've got 2 cameras that's set up. I don't know which way it's going to set up. It might be Q small cam of the soldering or soldering small cam of Q.
Okay, man. Or shall I just jump over there, bro?
Yeah, bro.
yo,
Get
yo,
yourself ready.
Sweet. Wait. Whoa.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, I'll just move this chair out of the way, bro. Also, okay, so they're not gonna, so where do I talk, bro, Quinn?
To your left, bro.
To my left? So should I bring it up a bit?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, just tell me when.
Yeah. Oh, you focus on that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Is this it? Oh, yeah, just so I can
bro.
show our whānau.
You good, bro.
Good.
Perfect.
Oh, I can't see it, Okay. But I do need to see this one.
Nice.
Oh, it's upside down. Okay, whānau. I'm not going to turn that on yet, but very briefly. Oh, yeah, sure. Essentially, this is our circuit. Nah, it's all good, bro. This is our circuit that we're working on tonight. The board is essentially going to take this. Oh, I don't have an example on me, whānau, but we're going to take that and make it smaller. So, essentially, I'm just going to get into the mahi. I don't know. To be honest, I should have planned this out a bit. I should have planned this out a bit. Man, can I put this up a bit, bro, Quinn? Feels like it's looking up my nose. Like,
So, bro, I'll be there. Yep.
Yeah. Is that all right there? Is that better? Sure.
Oh, yeah, bro. Perfect.
Is that better? Oh, man, I feel like, leaving you out, Quinn. I feel like I'm leaving you out, mate.
Nah, man, tech support.
Yeah.
We need a lot
bro,
for
what
these
we'll do
episodes.
is we'll switch out halfway, bro.
Oh, yeah,
I'll
cool.
get it started, just so you can have a jam.
Sweet.
So whānau, just want to briefly point out, and I'm just going to let you know that this is hot. This is a solder pen. Essentially, we've got, I'm not going to bring it in, but we've got a massive ass device over there, and I can control the heat with this. And essentially, this is what we're going to be using tonight. Got this little brass wool. Oh gosh, brass wool thing here. Man, this is so hard. Upside down. Yeah, and then essentially just clean it in here. So I'm going to get that nice and clean before we start. Just then set it off to the side. What we're also going to need is some solder. Boom. So we've got it in this little thing here. And then we're going to need some other tools like, if needed, this is a, damn, it's not focusing, eh? Oh, sorry, I'm talking here. Sorry, Quinn's like,
Did you want me to move the camera over there, bro?
Nah, it's all good, bro. Can they see me all good?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, what we're also going to need is this thing here. This is, what do they call this, bro, Quinn? Fingers, eh? Like extra fingers. It's just got some little clips on there. So we're going to need that. Also going to need some little cutters, those things there. In this case, we're going to need a little screwdriver as well, because we've got these little things that we need to undo, or actually might need a different screwdriver. And we're also going to need some, boom, wire cutters as well. Cha-cha. But where do we start? And I'm just going to, hopefully, okay, so, I'm just taking a quick mental note, Whānau, of where all of the wires are at. I think we're good. Reckon we can remember this, Quinn, or I can. I might just
take a picture.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, bro. I was just gonna do that, bro. Man, I should remember this though. I should remember this. Yeah, cool. That's all I need, Whānau. Just a couple of pics.
I'm just gonna shoot off to main cam real quick, bro.
Oh yeah, all good.
So the reason why we want to take a picture of our little device over there is because last week we already programmed it or coded it actually, and we don't want to mess up the cords and it doesn't work again. pretty much, Quinn. Well, all right, hold on. I'm just gonna while you're there, bro. Oh, sorry, I just walked past the camera. I'm just gonna look for the other. Is there any other little screwdrivers, bro? Yeah,
need a flat top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, yeah. Oh, no, that's not. Maybe I was just taking off the glasses.
I'm just going to post for a funny videos. Hey,
I'll be back.
That's a good question while Q's searching for in the box just out there. Let us, if you haven't watched it, our fail video, head over to our page and have a quick watch and let us know how you like it. Yeah, gotta go back to Q.
Sorry. Oh, damn.
You alright?
Yeah, there we go. It's up the right way now. Okay, Whānau, I've taken a photo of all of this. I'm gonna pull it all apart now. I'm good to go. I know what I'm doing. Well, I hope so. Got that. I'm gonna pull out the Arduino here. Oh, let's pull out all the cables first. I'm a professional, I can remember this. I'm gonna pull this out of here because we're gonna delete the prototype board. Boom. I'm going to then, oh yeah, so I'm gonna keep talking now. I'm going to then just pull out all the wires. Oh, damn. I need, hey?
No, you all good?
Oh, no. I was just thinking I should remove these pins.
Oh, yeah. We don't have an extra piece to
I'll make it work. I'll make it work. Yeah, I might have to desolder actually. It's alright. Cool. Okay, Whānau. I'm going to detach this. And I'm going to detach this. Sorry, Whānau, I should be talking to the camera. Feels like I'm talking to myself here. Get that out of the way. Don't need any of that. Let's get that all out. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. Don't need those. And I'm gonna need some of these. Just gonna pull out all of the wires. So hopefully I need 2 black. Hopefully 2 yellow. And 2, I think I need 2 red. Boom.
Cool. Are these males or females, bro?
Yeah, the special wires, Whānau. It's a really good question, Quinn. Essentially, these ones here, they have male side. I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit small, male side and a female side. Our single board computer or our Arduino has these little pins here, and essentially we can just slot straight into them, just like that. Easy as. Okay, cool. I think I got enough of those. Oh man, there's some people inside. Oh, like last week here, the cars. Like.
Yeah, oh, that was a good one.
Cool. Okay. So, what I might do first, I wonder if I should just get another one. No.
Yeah, that's
reckon?
what I was wondering.
Yeah, just get another one.
Do we
Instead
have
of
another
using-
one?
Yeah, I'm sure we do.
Cool.
Just move that out.
So what Q is doing right now is, let's focus. Most of the time you don't have these pins already here, so we gotta just tear them over, make sure the pins come through, and then we solder it on. Pretty cool, eh, whānau?
Cool. That's our time, like Quinn. How we doing? How we doing for time?
Doing pretty good, bro. Pretty good.
So I don't know if you can see that whānau, but that is the one without pins. Easy as. The reason why I grabbed this is just because I'm going to solder directly to some of the holes instead of needing to do it on the pins there. Cool. Okay, I better make my way. Okay. Look at me straight away, and I can't remember. Is it red on one? Yeah, it's red on one. Eh?
Just gonna answer a question that Chris Quill asked.
Oh man, hey Chris, bro, how are you? Oh man, cool.
Yes, it is a watering system, automatic watering system.
Man, that guy, he's pretty sharp on the old Arduinos too.
Oh
Yeah,
man.
bro, yeah, bro. Man, we need to catch up, mate.
We might have to turn this watering plant to a Bluetooth watering plant.
I don't know if whānau, yeah, man. Don't know if whānau can see that, but hopefully I might try and make it higher. Mind you, if I go higher, it becomes quite hard for me to.
Should I freehand it?
Nah, there we go. Nah, it's all good, bro. It's all good. It's all good. What do you reckon? You want to try freehand just for a little? Yeah. Just try and get up. Yeah, bro. Just want to take you close to the action, whānau. Cool. Yeah, man. So I need to plug this into. Yeah, what I'm going to do, whānau, is I'm going to solder the pump first back to our motor controller, and then I'm going to, on the other side, solder on these wires over here back to this. Cool. And then, yeah, so let's get into it really. Sorry, broke Quinn. Sure. I'm going to do first is I'm going to drop some solder just in there. Okay, safety glasses on. Boom. Extraction on, might hear a bit of fan going off, whānau. I might disappear for a sec. Got it, Brett? Oh, yeah.
Making sure I got my safety on too.
Yeah, I'm just going to do this, whānau. Just boom, boom. Just go in. Oh. Just a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that, but I've just filled in output 1 and 2. Okay, cool. I'm just going to hang that up. Then what I'm going to do is, hopefully if I can, I should be able to just go straight up. Do you know if it's red? And we'll find out, Quinn. I should be able to just come straight up from underneath. Or maybe I'm going from the top because I can't quite see. Yeah, it'll be fine. I don't know if you can see that whānau, but I managed to get the wire all the way through. On the other side, I'm going to clip that after. Cool, I'm just going to wipe it off. Cool, sorry Quinn. Let me know if I'm in your way, Quinn. Damn, these glasses are such the wrong glasses, but they're good. Come on, man. Damn. Can't quite see. Might should have actually just clipped the wires back. Might actually do that, bro. Do whānau is just clip this, yeah, just a little bit, bro. So I don't have to push in like too much. I don't know if you can see that, eh? And then I'll just tin this bad boy. It's quite hard with this tripod there, eh? No, leave it there, bro. You're all good. You're all good. Ready? Yo. I'm just gonna tin this wire whānau. And tinning is essentially just putting a little bit of solder on our wire, and then going to flick that on that side.
Because most wires you see, or you pull back the plastic bit, it's like brown, bronze, copper kind of stuff.
Yeah,
and so the tin is like a protection.
Damn. Like that. Just gonna do that. Should have actually used. I should have put the wire through first. Hey. I didn't think about this. That's what happens when we don't plan, eh? Oh, when I don't.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Nah, that's cool. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to go on with more solder. I'm going to create more of a lump just on top of it.
Sorry, Father, I can't read your comments at the moment.
Just oh. Okay. And then we're just gonna hopefully just tab them in. Okay. Oh, damn! Moved too early. Everyone that solders out there is probably having a good old laugh. There we go. That was the mission. And hopefully, and that's that part, whānau. First little part done.
Hold up. There we
Oh,
go. Oh, no. Yep. So boom.
just need to clean up the other side. It's got this little wire popping out there. I'm just going to take that. All good?
Hold up. There we go.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Take that off. Nice. Solid. Done. That's that part done. Next thing we want to do.
Gonna put the camera back in.
Oh, yo. I'm gonna move that. That might be easier. Let me just clean up my desk a little. Put that over there. Bit of a mess. Q. Want to check our comments, bro? See what
Yeah,
everyone's
yeah.
saying. Okay, I'll just turn this off for a sec.
We got Q. What are you? Nah, I'm joking.
Cool.
Kia ora to those 3 people that's watching. Oh, what's up, Vincent?
Oh, Vincent, did he join us? Oh, bro, hey man, how are you, bro? Shout out. Whānau, for those that don't know, we got old Vincent there. He's one of our members from the Manudale High School Makerspace, and that guy's probably laughing at me because he's a way better solderer than me.
It's true, Whānau.
Yeah, man. Wow, he's pretty wicked, man. He is pretty wicked. Man, thanks heaps for joining us tonight, bro. Hope you're doing well. Okay. And I cannot remember. VCC. Is it Iron 1?
Do we need to look at the other one?
Yeah, I think it's Iron 1.
Here you go, bro. Got you.
Oh, have you already got? Oh, yeah. Man, look at that. I just need to double check to see what. Iron 1. Yeah, perfect. Just double checking whānau on here. There's a few different holes, and I've got these 3 wires that I need to plug into, and I just need to make sure that I'm putting them into the right spaces. So, what's the easiest way to do this? Oh, I'll come back in with the come back in with these. People see that, bro, Quinn? Is that all right?
Yeah, it's pretty good, actually.
Cool. Okay. Going back in again, whānau. Oh, solder is like stuck. How's it? Any questions, bro, Quinn? Any questions from our whānau, or they're just laughing at Q?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's all right.
Oh, no. Vincent said, no, nah, I'm not laughing.
Man, thanks, Vincent, bro. Appreciate that coming from you, man. Hopefully you pick up a new trick, bro. Mind you, you know, you're sharp, bro. Is that all right, Quinn?
Yeah, bro.
Cool. Okay, whānau, next thing we need to solder, these wires into this, and hopefully I can do this.
The one thing I taught the kids is if you can make a hook, we pull so it should stay there.
Just a little one, eh?
Mm.
Oh, did you strip it a bit?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Because at the end you can still cut the
Clip
tips
it, eh?
off, yeah.
Nice. Did you tin the wire? Or
No,
did you just-
no, I didn't.
I think it's already pre-tinned, eh? I know some of them are pre-tinned. Go. Cool. Let's go. So in one is, boom, this one is yellow, I know for sure.
Oh, Chris says no laughs in here. Just great tutorial and great setup. Thank you,
man,
bro.
thanks, bro. Appreciate that. We've both, like, especially Quinn, man. He set all of this up tonight, man. And but we've been working hard on our live stream for a while, eh? So really appreciate that, man. Okay, so whānau, I'm plugging the wires in. I'm plugging the yellow wire into the iron 1, the input 1, and I'm plugging the black wire into the ground. Oh, sorry, Quinn.
No, you're all good.
And then I'm also plugging the red wire, once I figure this out, the red wire into the VCC. So that's essentially like the positive or the power line. So we need to send, how many volts do we send to this again, bro? 5 volt, eh?
Yep.
Oh, man. Gosh. Cool. So this is actually a really good trick, Quinn.
Good old hook.
Yeah, man. I don't know if you can see this, but we just made the wire a little bit longer. It's going over a bit, and we've just, it's just managed to hold the wire there. And then now I can just go in with the solder. And then button this bad boy up. What colour first, Quinn?
I start with the back, bro, I recommend.
Yellow, so iron 1 up.
Yep.
Cool, man. Let's do this. Sorry, bro. Just can't quite see. My eyes are a bit. Must be late in the night. I can't see the. I should put on the other safety glasses though, the magnifier. Quinn's got sharp eyes, but I have to use magnifying glasses for me because my eyes aren't the best. Damn, what's our? Can you see the heat?
Yeah, 400.
Is it? Oh, alright. Hopefully everyone's getting the solder action, bro.
Yeah, bro. There's no webcam.
Oh, no webcam?
Oh, for now.
Oh,
Just
sweet.
focus it on this.
Oh, sure. I think that's it. What do you reckon, Quinn?
So they don't stare at me looking down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, sure. That looks all goody.
I recommend, like, if you want to test it, is to just have a little pool on
Looks
the.
pretty solid. I'll turn this off. Hopefully you can still hear us, whānau. No, it looks pretty solid, eh?
Yeah, man.
Damn, why didn't I do that with it? Is that actually in there?
Because Quentin likes to make you look like you're struggling.
Then we're just going to clip all of these back, whānau. Chirp. Boom. 1, 2. Not the best soldering job ever, Q. Oh no, it's alright, that's pretty solid. Probably clean it up if I wanted to, eh? Just give it a little tap.
Nice.
Might just do that actually. Just do a little flick, 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 flick. Oh. Yeah, it's all good. Perfect. Cool. And that's our first little part there, whānau. That is our, sorry it took a while, but that's a water pump all wired up and ready to go in. So boom, wire, controller, water pump. Done deal. Boots. Cool.
Looks awesome, right?
Ah, thanks, bro. Thanks, mate. Quinn, you're up, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, which way are we going?
That way.
Oh, you're up. Oh, sorry, Farney. Okay, so.
Yeah, I'll set this up properly.
Oh, bro, I can make some mistakes on there if you want. I can stuff up our live stream. So yeah, this is the first part, Farno. Boom, pump's all sorted. Next part, I think what we need to do, bro, is because this thing here, we don't need to do any work to this. This is already sorted. Oh, I was just showing them up there, but this is the big egg. This is the big. Yeah, we don't need to do anything to that. That's already done. So, let me pick up some of these. Look at them. I always
See what
I always say
clean up?
I always say to Quinn, hey, keep your workstation clean. Man, if you saw the state of this entire workstation right now. All right. But hey, I think what you need to do, bro, Quinn, is because remember we need double ground line.
Yep.
So you're gonna have to take one of these, one of the pins here, over there, and you need to attach it to the ground line and bend it out. Remember how we did it? So that's why I grabbed off one of these. Just got these extra. Oh, that's what the YouTubers do, eh? When they show off like little stuff, they go like this and they put it in front of their hand, and it focuses. But we got these pins here, Fano, and we just need one of them. So we're just going to very carefully, yeah. Oh, yeah, he's blocking it because when I clip this, it's gonna flick somewhere. But let's try and do it, Quinn. Oh, yeah, got it.
Oh.
Sweet. So yeah, man, just.
Can I try this YouTube look?
Oh.
That's how you do it, Farney.
Sweet. Bro, I'll let you do the magic, man. So just the ground line, eh? Oh, you know what you're doing, bro. How do we do it? Oh, tweezers, because it gets hot.
Yes, that is in our, in that box, bro.
Oh. And which, the big one?
Yep.
Cool.
Ground. Just looking for ground at the moment, Farney. Oh, there it is. Just over here.
I've got to check our comments too. Chat.
So is it like this, bro?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Pretty much we might need to chuck on some more solder just so it's got, and then.
And just leave it like that?
Yeah, bro, and then we bend it after. Bend it down.
So what we try to do, Farney, is have one of these pins connect, because there is already a pin here in ground, so we want to make sure there's another output for ground. Yeah.
Yeah. It's because we have two ground lines, eh? Needed, like, so one ground from the capacitive sensor and then one from the actual motor, eh? We could, if we wanted to, just solder like it's a one pin, but to be honest, we found with the circuit it's easier to just have a second pin and we plug it in. Don't know where I should stand, Quinn. Stand here.
Oh, yeah, but that's so comfortable when you do that, bro.
Yeah.
It looks so natural. Okay.
Sure, Quinn. Just checking out the comments again, Fano. Thanks for, I don't know how long this has been running, but just thanks for hanging out with us tonight, Fano. Always appreciate. Oh, Quinn, guess how long?
Yeah.
But, appreciate everyone just tuning in tonight, man, Fano. You know, it would be pretty boring with me and Quinn here, just us two talking to ourselves. Cool. You all good, bro?
Yeah, bro.
How did we do this before? Was it one? Yeah.
Well, because I'm soldering, that's only one
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
Oh. If you want, bro, you can.
Oh yeah, I'll try and go in a bit.
Make sure you hold that lens because it falls. Yeah.
Put up.
Wait, what am I doing? More
Yeah,
solder first.
I'll put on more solder. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, sorry, that's our extraction fan, Fano, if you didn't know. Cool. So he's just put on a bit of solder whānau. Now what he's doing is he's flipping it. The commentating.
Oh, wait. I need to make sure I do this right. Soldering with your strong hand.
See that little black, bro? I might need to just push it down a bit. Just so you've got a bit more, oh, sorry, you can't see whānau, it's a bit small, but Quinn is trying to just expose a little bit more of the metal once and it doesn't want to focus. It's all good.
Oh, YouTube.
All we can see is a black spot, yeah, but but yeah, he's trying to just expose a little bit of wire, a little bit of metal. Hopefully you can see that whānau. Perfect, Quinn. Whoa, this guy. This guy. So I don't know if you can notice here, whānau. So just boom. He's just gone and soldered on. Notice how we got the pins underneath. Yeah, and then.
No, my hand's
Yeah,
fixing.
no, it's all good. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, pins, but he's got a pin out the side, and we can maybe just grab one of those wires, bro, and just slot it onto the pin, just to show what the whānau what we're doing. So now we can do that. You got this, Quinn. Yeah, so now we can do that, but we can also hook another wire underneath on that same ground line, so that's why we hooked that on. And now just give it a little bend, bro, Quinn. Sure.
Did we just bend it like that?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, we did too.
Yeah, just so it points down. Oh.
Muscle man. Boots.
Nice, perfect, man.
And
Sweet.
now we can do this. One ground. And so which one? The second.
Yeah, bro, same one. Nice. Nice, bro. Good work. Clean. Dudes. Sure. And I think, I'm sorry, whānau, just putting our camera back on the tripod.
Do we need the black thing on it? Really?
Yeah, it's sometimes just to, yeah, just because when we slide it on, it holds it. Like it stops it from going in more and doesn't make it move. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Smart man.
I learned that trick off old our bro Carl.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully, man, I can send this video to Carl. Carl, we mentioned him in the last episode. He helped share some of the ideas or thinking around this, and man, learnt a lot from that guy. What's up? What's up next? Well, I think that's us, man.
This is the soldering done.
That's the soldering done.
Me and whānau.
So it's just a matter of.
Grab your seat, bro. We'll talk to them properly.
Oh yeah. We don't want to keep them too long, though.
Yeah,
Probably some of the whānau, need to get back and a bit of a kai. We'll just grab our little. Oh, maybe midnight snack because it's probably close to 9 now. So, this.
Yes, whānau.
And then this, excluding that. So now we've got all of our, I guess, pieces done. And it's just a matter of plugging it all together, but pretty much notice now, we don't no longer need the breadboard. We just hook it all up and together. So, yeah, man.
Cool. We don't want to give them too much, bro. We're going to make sure that we save some for part 3.
Yeah. Well, but we'll still plug it together because in part 3 we're looking at the
Coding.
So we've got all of it ready, plugged up, more minimal, and now it's just a matter of coding it up to tell it what to do.
Yeah, man.
But should we just quickly hard and fast plug it up?
Yeah, man. I'll flick it over to you.
Yep. Okay. Thanks for hanging in there, whānau. If you're still watching, we appreciate your attention. Whānau. Okay. I just need to. Oh, how did you do that, Quinn? Like put it. Oh. Okay. Oh. How do I go back? Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Is it upside down?
Yeah, bro. It is. It's alright, it's alright. Cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do, whānau, is... it's alright. It's alright, bro. Oh, yeah, perfect.
Can you see that?
Yeah, bro. I'll make that work. What I'm going to do, whānau, is just plug in all of our cables. Where we hooked up that second ground pin, I'm going to go in, boom, go in here. Oh, sorry, boom.
Oops.
2 black wires. I'm then going to go 1 wire in A0 for analog out. This goes into the capacitive sensor, the moisture sensor. And then this one here is going to go into, oh bro, do you know what one it was, bro? The D4? GPIO pin. Sorry, I'm just checking behind. I think it was, yeah. D4. Perfect. I always forget, there's too many numbers to remember for me, whānau. So we're going to go into D4 with that one. What we've done, like color-wise, whānau.
More down, please, bro.
Oh, sorry. Color-wise, whānau, what we're doing is the blacks, those connect back to ground. The yellows, those connect back to like controlling the outputs or the inputs. And reds, essentially it's power. So I'm going to need to plug in 2 of these, one into the 3 volt. That's going to power our capacitive sensor. And this one here is going to power our pump. So plug that in there, boom, boom. And now it's just a matter of plugging it all up, whānau. So I'm going to grab the moisture sensor. That needs, oh, let's get this out of the way so I can at least hang that up. Boom, boom. So I've got, everyone can still see that, Quinn? Yep. Is that all good? So I've got these 2 here. These 2 are going to go into the moisture sensor. So I'm going to go yellow and yellow. Once I can figure it out, boom. Red into red, give it some power, boom. And then, oh no, and then ground or negative into black. Doits. And then same thing with the, look at it, I've gone and tangled everything up. Look at that. I'm going to go now and plug into the pump. So, once I figure it out and get my bearings, okay, same thing again, whānau. Red into red, let's give it 5 volts power. Red into red, black into black, need to ground it. And last one, yellow into yellow. This is how we control our motor here. And whānau, that is, if I can fit it all in one shot, that is our circuit.
Awesome, bro.
Done deal. What we would, we won't do this right now, but we're going to take this, the wires on here, it's probably best to protect those in some way. This is going to be close to water. So what we generally do is put a bit of heat shrink around it, but to make the wires, because if this gets pulled, it rips out, rips it all apart. So what we do is we wrap the cable like that. I don't know if you can see it, but wrap the cable like that, and same with the other wire. And then we put the heat shrink over it, and then we shrink it up so it's nice and tight. Might just, if I bring in, is there water in this? There is a.
Yep.
If I just bring this in, don't know if you can notice, but right there, whānau, that's been shrinked up. Just extra protection, because it's close to the water. Want to make sure it's protected as much as we can. And even though we protected this one, we should have done it a bit more because this is no longer working. So we're going to have to fix that. But yeah, that's it, whānau. So let me move this out of the way. Should we go back to main? What do you reckon?
Yeah, bro.
I'm just going to flick off all of our safety stuff. I mean, all of our equipment. Make sure all of that's off, and then we'll come join the man Quinn back over here. Do it. And that's it. Nice and small though, eh? I mean, it's sort of big. We could make some changes to how we've sort of wired this up, because we've got those pins at the bottom, eh? When we could, if we wanted to, we could cut all of this and, oh, I think that might be a bit short, but we'll figure that one out. But what we could do is remove these pins and just solder directly to the holes on it. And then what that would do is it'll make this more flatter. Very similar to
what we've done
what we've done with this. Yeah, man. So, but I mean, it works as is and fine, and I actually find it quite easy to plug in and plug out of, and we can still use this for another project if we wanted to without making too many changes and still be able to plug it all back up. But yeah,
so just show you 2 different ways of soldering it.
Yeah, man. It was a bit of a mission there, end, eh? No, the mission was doing this one far out. I thought I would have smashed it in 5 minutes, but nah.
Should have swapped roles. Nah.
No.
Nah.
He's way better at soldering than me. But Whānau, no, that's it, man. Boom. Easy as.
Mean as.
Oh, Marie.
Oh,
Marie. My man. All right. How you doing, bro? Bro. Bro. We just made it smaller tonight, bro. We got rid of the breadboard. And now it's just that. It's pretty much just a wire, man, when you think about it, eh? Might make some changes to this later, but yeah, this is the final circuit. What we should have done, though, is hooked it up to power to test it, but we'll just pretend it works, eh, Whānau? Everything we make works.
Because we need to do the coding next part.
Yeah.
So we don't know if this code already has. It's not working.
Yeah. So it's always, after you like solder up, always plug it in, just have a little bit of a test, send the code through if you've already done it. Yeah, essentially, always test it when you're soldering, eh, Whānau, to make sure it all works properly. But I'm sure it does. Our soldering is on. It was on, Whānau.
Yeah, Q done a mean job.
Oh,
It looks clean.
Well, it's all right. It's all right. That trick though, that you mentioned about stripping the wire back a little bit, make a little bend in it, so it sits and holds in the hole. So then I can solder on top. That was actually super handy, bro.
And then with that bit that's like hanging over, you can cut it off and make it look like that.
Yeah, bro. No, honestly, that was a super handy trick, bro. So might actually clean this out and then redo it. But no, that was it.
Sweet, Whānau. So just a quick reminder, before you do any soldering, please be safe. Make sure there's an adult with you. We just want to push out that safety distance.
Yeah, man. It's hot stuff, so we don't want anyone to get hurt, man. You know, we've had you're not going to get super hurt, but you never know, man. And always when you finish, make sure you turn off all of your gear. Got to stay safe as well.
Just join. We'll watch full video when it's finished.
Shot,
bro.
Yeah,
Thank
shot,
you.
Man. Nah, all good, bro. All good.
It means a lot, by the way.
Yeah, and let us know, Ray, if you have any questions, bro.
Yeah, we can answer it on the next live.
Bro. Hard, bro. Easy as.
Before everyone shoot off, I just want to show you guys something cool. If you guys haven't watched our what do you call it? Our live
Instagram story and Facebook story.
Oh wait, can I do 3 at once? Oh, is it
Try
all
it.
off?
Oh yeah, all off.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was pretty cool, eh? I wonder if all on works.
Do it again.
That's we're making our smart office.
Yeah, man. So Whānau, we've been like always like thinking through like some different projects that we want to try, and I guess for us, we're trying to do a lot more like electronic stuff and like technology centered stuff. This is just one small part to I guess a bigger projects that we have. We really want to do like more smart home technologies and show you how I guess some easily accessible technology can be used to do like different smart home tech things. This board actually, if you don't know, like they sell like smart plugs at the shops and that. I guess this ASK.Q or the WeMust-E1 Mini, this technology is actually found in a lot of those devices. So like this board here, we could essentially make our own wireless like plugs and stuff like that. So yeah, man. But we've been trying to learn
a lot of projects for you to
man. Hard, man.
Make sure you tune in with us.
So yeah, that was Quinn.
Cool.
Making our set cool.
No, I think it's time to say farewell.
Yeah, man. Hard. Don't want to hold anyone else up, but just thanks everyone for their time tonight, Whānau. And in next week's episode, like Quinn mentioned, we're going to be
coding. Sorry, I don't know if I was talking or not.
We're just making this all up, Quinn. Hard. But yeah, next we're going to be coding, and that's sort of the last little part. But we might code and then actually put it into a pot plant. Maybe we borrow the neighbour's plant that's outside and we plug it all in.
Is our plant still
Yeah,
surviving?
that one is. But we'll get another one, like just
True.
like an actual pot plant. Figure out,
yeah.
We'll just borrow borrow the neighbour's plant that's outside our
Hey neighbour,
office.
if you're watching us.
But yeah, Fano, nah, that's it, man. Anything else, Quinn?
That just make sure you guys tune in next week, Monday, 8 o'clock, same time, same place.
Cha-cha, Fano. Me, that's us. Sweet as Fano, cha-cha. Have
Stay-
a great week.
Stay warm, stay safe.
Yeah, man.
Peace.